Ladies and gentlemen, if you love cycling and bikes, then there are lots of electric bike business opportunities in 2020. Today in this video, I want to share with you some of the best electric bike business opportunities for 2020. Number 1. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to share your cycling passion with the world. If you already sell electric bikes, blogging is a great way to create brand awareness and to make more business. You can monetize your blog with ad network like Google AdSense, and also affiliate marketing is another great business model where you build a website based on electric bikes. Number 2. E-bike repair business. This is a profitable business you can start with a very low investment. Electric motors can go wrong from time to time. Most companies offer a 1 or 2 year warranty with their bikes, but once this runs out, there will be an increased demand for electric bike repair experts. Number 3. Electric bike rental business. This can be very profitable business idea for you, particularly if you living in an area popular with tourists. The primary investment would be pretty high, so at the primary stage you can start with 5 bikes or less so that you can understand how your business is going. Number 4. Open an e-bike shop. Having a physical retail store where you can showcase and establish e-bikes to potential customers is a great business idea. Purchasing a new e-bike can be expensive and people are not always willing to buy from an online retailer because they want to see the bike in before they make a decisions. Unfortunately, opening an e-bike retail shop requires a large initial investment and you will need to choose the best location for your business. A good business plan is a must to get success in this business. Is there anything else you would like to know more about and wish was included in this video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.